Hi, I'm Nico from Aurora, Colorado. I work at Boomer Music, and today I'm going to demonstrate the alto saxophone for you, one of my first instruments ever. So first thing you're going to want to do is put on your neck strap before anything else. Then you're going to want to wet your reed. Make sure you wet both sides and get it really wet here so that it can vibrate on the mouthpiece. Then you put the flat end on the mouthpiece, and then you want to line it up. The ligature is going to hold it into place here, and with the screws loosened, you can do some last minute adjustments. Once it's where you want it to be, tighten those up. Then you're ready to get out the saxophone itself. So, first thing is connect the body to your neck strap. Then you want to loosen this screw here, because then you also have the neck, which you're going to want to be able to put in pretty easy. And then you want to be able to adjust it until it comes straight to your mouth. Then you can tighten this screw, put on the mouthpiece that we prepared before. Once everything's comfortable, you're ready to play. So it's a very nice high-range saxophone. It can also get to pretty much a lot of those lower notes. And it's a good introduction to the saxophone family. So I hope you consider playing it, and thank you for watching this.